let me write down the question. A train traveling at 60 km per h crosses a man in 6 seconds. Okay, a train traveling at 60 km per hour crosses a man in 6 seconds. Now the question is, what is the length of the train? What is the length of the train? Now the answer. Okay, so a train is traveling at 60 km per hour. That means that is the speed of the train. So the speed of train is 60 km per hour. Now here crosses a man in 6 seconds. So here unit is in second and here the unit is in hour. So we have to convert it kilometer per hour to meter per second as theory. So 60 km per hour is equals to 60 into 1000 divided by 36. Okay, 60 kilometer, 60 into 1000 meter. This was meter and per hour. So 1 hour is equal to 36,000 seconds. Did you understand? Second. So this is meter per second. So if we complete this, it will be 50 divided by 3 meter per second. So this is the speed of train. Okay, we just convert 60 km per hour. It is meter per second. 50 by 3. Now, what we need to find? We need to find what is the length of the train. Okay, let this was a train. Okay, and this is the end point and this is the start point, and this train is moving from this direction to this direction, and this is a man here standing here. Now given that this train crosses this man in 6 seconds, that means the distance traveled by the train in 6 seconds is equal to the length of the train. Why? This train crosses this man in 6 seconds. That means, let me write down first. Now the length, the question is, what is the length of the train? The length of the train is equal to distance travel by the train in 6 seconds. Did you understand this? The length of the train is distance traveled by the train in 6 seconds. Why? Suppose this is a man standing here, okay, and this is the train. Now this train crosses this man, okay, in 6 seconds. That means what? This means how much distance this train travel in 6 seconds? Its own length. Because, did you understand this? In 6 seconds, this whole train crosses this man. This is the start point, this is the end point. Now start crossing and end. Okay, this complete distance he completed in 6 seconds. That means he completed his own length. What is this? This is his own length, na? So he traveled his own length in 6 seconds. Now here the question is, what is the length of the train? So length of the train is equal to distance traveled in 6 seconds by the train. Okay. So distance traveled in 6 seconds. Now so what we need to find? We need to find the distance traveled by the train in 6 seconds. What? Now the speed of train here given 50 by 3 meter per second. Okay. So distance traveled by the train is equal to, we know that distance is equal to what? Speed into time in 6 seconds. So 50 by 3 into 6 meter. Because we know that distance, distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, distance is equal to speed into time. So 50 by 3 into 6 equal to 100 meter. So what we have done? We have done distance traveled by the train is 100 meter. Now we know travel by the train in 6 seconds. In 6 seconds is 100 meter. So that means the length of the train should be 100 meter, because we know that length of the train is the distance traveled by the train in 6 seconds. So the length of the train is equal to 100 meter. This is the answer. Okay.
Complete.
Yeah, completed.